Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Sentra speaker, full guide. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Remove the door trim using a panel pry tool and store screws together. Disconnect the wiring harness and remove the old speaker, noting connector type and depth. Install the new speaker with correct polarity, secure mounting, and reconnect the battery. Finally, test audio at low volume and reassemble the door trim carefully. Make sure you have a crosshead screwdriver, panel pry, socket set, and wire crimp tool on hand. Remove the door card carefully and save fasteners in a labeled container so reassembly is quick. Check the speaker connector for corrosion and clean contacts, and confirm the speaker depth matches the door cavity. Use adapters or splice as required for connectors, then mount the speaker securely and test playback before refitting the trim panel. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if this guide is helping you with your Nissan Sentra speaker swap. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make it effortless. It picks up crumbs and loose screws I almost dropped and saves time for more car projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshoot by checking fuses, head unit settings, and wiring continuity with a multimeter while audio plays. If you detect distortion or hum, verify the ground and try a known good speaker to isolate the problem. Inspect speaker mounting and add foam damping where panels vibrate to eliminate rattles. Reset factory amplifiers if applicable and ensure speaker polarity is correct, so stereo imaging and low frequencies are accurate during a full test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.